We bought this from Costco. It's on sale now. I think because there's a new model coming out. That's usually how Costco puts everything on sale when there's a new model. But I guess this model is fine with us. Let's open this. Ring. I heard that this used to be in the Shark candidate that was not taken, and now it's a booming product. Everybody likes Ring. So what do we have here? Well, charger. Okay. USB. And oh, this is a screwdriver star shape. And what's this? Okay, it's casing. And all the screws and what's in here? Okay, and you got the Y connector. Okay, so we get all these screws here. Let's put it. And of course, the manual. And let's put this aside here. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, the camera that you can use inside the house, I guess, as a security camera. We need this. We keep on forgetting things, where we put it, or in the kitchen we always worry or are stressed out with, did we leave the stove on? How about the toaster? So I guess this will come in handy. I'm not sure if this is the one I'm talking about. Put this here. Now, this is the one, the Ring. Before we do that, let's check. Oh, it's just, oh, there's more here. Okay, more screws for the, let's put this together. Yeah, it's for this one. It's no more. None. Put this aside. And just a sticker. Now, the Ring you put on your entrance door or wherever you want to put it, instead of a regular doorbell. It has the camera. I guess I see a lot of houses using Ring. So we actually returned another one that I need to fish in, do this and do that. I said, I don't have time to do all those. I'm done with those fishing in. I'm gonna go to the attic, etc. So decided to buy Ring, and it's on sale now in Costco. So try and grab one also. Empty. None anymore. Ring. So that's the unboxing of Ring. And let's just take out everything. These are all manuals, user guide. This one, I like this one. I have a star-shaped screwdriver. They still have the old, oh yeah, mini USB converter. None, empty. That's it. So what do we got? Screws and wire connectors, casing, charger, screwdriver, USB, regular to small USB, or I think that's the one you plug in to charge. Another screwdriver, manual, ring, and the sticker. That's it, folks.